Good afternoon, my dear lovely students. Myself, Dr. Girish Goyal, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, School of Agriculture, IIT University, Gwalior. Students, I hope you all are good and stay at home safely. मैं ऐसा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोग घर पे होंगे, सुरक्षित होंगे. Students, today I am going to start our subject Principles and Practices of Water Management. First semester MSc Soil Science and Agriculture Chemistry. Students, so let's start our topic about factors affecting instrumental movements. Unit 2 का lecture number 6. So students, I will introduce all content one by one. And first content, introduction. Second, water transport and absorption in plants. Then references. Okay. The first content, students, introduction. Students, there are a number of factors which influence instrumental movements. These include light, temperature, potassium, chloride, organic acid, and carbohydrate concentration, water and acetic acid. Students, instrumental movements are influenced by a number of environmental factors like light, temperature, humidity, water availability, and CO2 concentration. So student, this is general introduction. Okay, and next slide. And first, there are different type instrumental movement of okay. And first, students, light. Okay, students, light. In the majority of plants, the stomata open in light and close in darkness. Okay. Students, the light intensity required for stomatal opening is quite low 250 feet candles in tobacco. Students, even moonlight is sufficient in some cases. Both red and blue parts of light are effective, though the latter is slightly more effective. However, in slants or came plants, the stomata remain closed during daytime. They open only during dark, that is pineapple. Okay, so students, this is example pineapple. Okay, so students, what is the cam plant? Okay, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें वर्ड आया कैम, तो आप लोग सुन के थोड़ा कन्फ्यूज हो रहे हैं. कैम प्लांट क्या आपने सुना होगा, C3 C4 एंड कैम प्लांट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, कैम प्लांट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सम प्लांट दैट आर adapted to dry environment such as acetic acid and pineapples use the cruciferous acid metabolism chem pathway to minimize and photoprism. This name comes from the family of plant, the cruciferous, in which scientists first discovered the pathway. Students, instead of separating the light dependent reaction and the use of CO2 in the Calvin cycle, space chem plant separate this process in time. Students, at night chem plant open their stomata, allow CO2 diffuse into the leaves. This CO2 is fixed into oxygen by PP oxalases, the same stem used by C4 plants. Okay, students, then converted to an malate or anther type of organic acid. My dear students, the organic acid the stored inside vacuoles until the next day. In the daylight, the chem plant do not open their stomata, but they can still photosynthesize. That's because the organic acid are transported out of the vacuole and the broken down the release CO2, which entire the Calvin cycle. This controlled release maintain a high concentration of CO2 round visco. Students, the chem pathway require ATP at multiple steps not so above to like C4 photosynthesis. It is not an energetic fabric. Students, however, plant species that use chem photosynthesis not only avoid photosynthesis but are also very water efficient. Their stomata only open at night when humidity tends to be higher and temperature are color. Both factors that reduce water loss from leaves. Okay. Students, chem plants are typically dominated by very hot dry areas like desert, and students comparison of C3, C4 and chem plants. Okay. Students, C3 and C4 and chem plants all use the Calvin cycle to make a surge from CO2. These pathway for fixing CO2 have different advantage and disadvantage and make plants suited for different habitat. The C3 mechanism. Work will is the cool environments will C3 and C4 chem plants are adapted to hot dry areas. Students, both the C4 and chem pathway have involved and independently over to design them. We suggest they may give plant species of hot climate sufficient and evo3 and the advantage. So student, there are three types C3, C4 and chem plant. Okay, and separation of initial CO2 fixation and Calvin cycle. And next stomata open and फिर होता है best adapted to C3 no separation and stomata open day and best adapted to cool wet environments. Okay, this is example. फिर आता है C4 between and monocyte and the handle cell in space and stomata open day and best adapted to hot sunny environments. Okay. फिर आता है chem between night and dry in time and night very hot dry environments. Okay, this is best adapted to. Okay, so student, this is example जो मैंने बताया chem plants क्या होता है, C3 क्या होता है, एक मेरा एग्जाम्पल था ताकि आप अच्छे से समझ सकें. ओके, आपके कहीं ना कहीं कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन में आपकी थ्योरी में भी हॉर्टिकल्चर में एग्रोनॉमी ले लो C3 C4 के कैम प्लांट काफ़ी अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, काफ़ी अच्छा टॉपिक है, पूछा जाता है, इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा डीपली बताया, आपको एक्सप्लेन किया. कैम प्लांट से अगर कहीं ना कहीं क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है तो आता है कैम प्लांट से रिलेटिव फ्रूट या कोई भी, तो आप लगाते हैं पाइनएप्पल इज़ द राइट आंसर. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट कंटेंट है हमारा टेम्परेचर. Okay, so students, temperature. Students, for stomatal opening is true at 30 degrees से 40 degrees Celsius. Stomata can open in complete darkness, while at 0 degrees centigrade they remain closed even in continuous light. Normally high temperature above 30 degrees Celsius reduce stomatal opening in many species. So student, this is temperature. नेक्स्ट कंटेंट है हमारा एटमॉस्फेरिक ह्यूमिडिटी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन ह्यूमिड एंड इन्वायरमेंट द स्टोमेटा रिमेन ओपन फॉर longer periods, while in dry environment they remain closed for longer periods. So this is atmospheric humidity. Next content है students, water availability. Students, plants undergo water stress in availability or water is less than the rate of transpiration. Water stress is equal to water deficient is equal to moisture deficient, and bring about stomatal closure due to ABA and rise in DPD of epidermal cell. So this is water availability. Next content is mechanical shock. Students, it causes closure of stomata. So this is mechanical shock. Next content is CO2 concentration. ओके स्टूडेंट्स CO2 का कंसंट्रेशन आइए देखते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने कहीं भी, पहले आप कुछ बता दूं, आपने सुना होगा कंसंट्रेशन होता क्या है. कंसंट्रेशन क्या होता है कि आपने कहीं भी सुना होगा या आपने यूजी में भी पढ़ा होगा कंसंट्रेशन होता क्या है. स्टूडेंट्स, कंसंट्रेशन ये है कि हम कोई सॉइल का या किसी क्रॉप का कंसंट्रेशन निकालते हैं या उसका NPK निकालते हैं, किसी भी फर्टिलाइज़र का या सॉइल में या ग्रेन में हम किसी का कंसंट्रेशन निकालते हैं, किसमें PPM में होता है. हमारा कंसंट्रेशन हमारा किस में होता है, हमेशा PPM में होता है. ठीक है, तो मैं वही कंसंट्रेशन की आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, कंसंट्रेशन जैसा कि आपको, जैसे आप एग्रीकल्चर में आपको ग्रेन में निकालना है तो आप पहले ग्रेन में कंसंट्रेशन निकालेंगे. ठीक है, उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे, ग्रेन को पहले पीसेंगे. ठीक है, और फिर क्या करेंगे, उसको आटानुमा रूप में करेंगे. फिर डिफरेंट टाइप के केमिकल लेंगे, उसको रिएक्शन बनाएंगे, फिर SS में जाएंगे तो इसमें PPM में जाके उनको कन्वर्ट करेंगे. हम कैलकुलेशन भी करना होगी हमको. ठीक है, तो डिफरेंट टाइप के कंसंट्रेशन होते हैं. ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स, आइए देखते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, लो CO2 concentration usually this opening of stomata, while high CO2 concentration closes the same plants where beating over the leaves causes stomatal closure. Students, higher grade cells are sensitive to CO2 concentration only from their inner side. Students, that is concentration in the leaf interior stomata of the plant transferred to dark CO2 free environment will remain closed, but they will open in light when internal CO2 is utilized. So this is CO2 concentration. Next है oxygen. Students, it is essential for opening of stomata. So this is oxygen. Next pH. Students, rise in pH is now known to be required for opening of stomata, while a fall in pH indicates closure of stomata. So this is pH. Next students, growth hormones. Students, cytokinins are essential for opening of stomata, while abscisic acid takes part in stomatal closure. So this is growth hormones. Next आता है minerals. Okay, so students, आइए देखते हैं minerals. Okay, students, stomatal opening depends upon availability of K plus ions from adjacent epidermal cell. A number of other minerals are also essential for stomatal movement, that is P, N, Mg, Ca, etc. Students, what are minerals? Okay, students, mineral are the function of the concentration and manufacturing and agriculture industries. Okay, बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. what are minerals, क्या होता है? Students, mineral are the fundamental of the concentration, manufacturing and agriculture industries. Students, why use minerals every day? Why use minerals every day? Students, every person uses products made from minerals every day. The salt that we add to our food is the minerals, health and anti-acid tables are made from the minerals calcite, rubis, and saprins are close variety of a minerals named. Students, it take many minerals to make something as simple as a wooden panicle. The lid is made from graphite and clay minerals. The brush band is made of copper and zinc and their paints that color its content and pigments and the filler made from a variety of minerals. Students, a cell phone is made using dozen other different minerals that are sourced from mines and thought out the world. Students, the cars that we drive, the road that we travel, the buildings that we live and their fertilizer used to produce our food are all made using minerals. Students, in the United States, about three tons of minerals and the conditions are consumed each year to support of the standard of living of 300 million citizens. That is about 10 tons of mineral material consumed of very person very year every year. वाटर मिनरल्स क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, मैं थोड़ा डिटेल में बता रहा हूँ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टू मीट द definition of mineral used by most geologists as the substance must meet 5 requirements. First, naturally occurring and inorganic and solid and deficient chemical composition and ordered internal structure. Okay, so students, so this is minerals. Next है water transport and absorption in plants. Okay, so students, in higher plants water is absorbed through root hair which are in contact with soil water, and for a root hair zone is a little behind the root tips. Students, root hair are tubular hair like prolongation of the cell. The epidermal layer of the roots, the walls of root hair, car and prevail and consist to and petic substance and the cellulose which are strongly hydrophilic, water living in nature. Students, root hair contain and fluid with the cell shape. So this is student water transport and absorption in the plants. Okay. So students, this is references and thank you. So students, this topic is finished. Okay, जैसा कि ये टॉपिक फिनिश हो चुका है. ओके, यूनिट 2 का ये नेक्स्ट टॉपिक था. तो आई होप आप ये अच्छे से इसका वीडियो देखें, इंटरेक्टिव देखें, ताकि आपका आगे भी आप इससे अच्छे से पढ़ चुके हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस टॉपिक इज़ फिनिश. फैक्टर्स affecting instrumental movements. Okay, unit 2 का नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है लेक्चर नंबर 6. Okay, so thank you students, thank you.